Hello again, and thank you for watching The Life Kawaii. Today I have a Stitch Fix box and I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it now and let you guys see what's inside. This is my first Stitch Fix box. So has the tape on it. And they have a bunch of different settings whenever you're making your account of what you would want and kind of like what your price range is. I think I did the mid-ground, and that's like 50 to 100, but they have another one, 100 to 200, and you can also get really expensive things on there too. I told them that they could also send every now and then a luxury designer item. So let's see here. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. So I'm guessing this is my return bag. Yes, return. So, oh, that's nice. It already has the tag on it and everything, so you can just drop it off at the post office. Okay. So here's the first one. And I will be trying these on later to let you guys see what they look like. I can't do it now because I'm actually making this video before I go to work, so I'm going to have to do it later. So it comes wrapped like this. Let's see. Whoa. I thought they only sent 3 items. It looks like they sent maybe six things. I wasn't expecting that. Alright, here's the first one. Oh, cute! It is a Skies Are Blue top. So, it's nice. Nice little sort of denim shirt. I could get away with wearing this to work on Fridays. Let's see. Okay. Oh, also something to note is it looks like they put their, even though the clothes are made by different companies and different brands, they're still putting their tag, their brand awareness tag on it. So let's see. Oh, this is a scarf. Okay, scarf. It's a long scarf. Wait, it's a long scarf that is attached in a sort of rectangle shape. Okay, well, this one I can try on now. You can see what this looks like. Who made this? It is unknown. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so here's one. Kind of pretty. Good color for redheads. There we go. If I was going to wear this, I'd probably actually wear it like this. And I would probably wear it more, since I'm a performer, I'd probably wear it more dramatically, like so. Okay, so you guys get to see it. I haven't gotten to see it. I'll take a look at it later in the mirror and see if I want to keep it or not. This is a black jacket. It's nice. It has a nice weight to it. It says it's by 41 Hawthorne. It's lined. It's kind of nice. Also has some nice piping on it. Faux leather piping. So let's see what this looks like. And then, oh, the back is pretty too. That's good. Okay, and then let's see what this last one has in it. Yeah, I was really only expecting 3 things. I'm surprised they sent all this stuff. Take a look. Okay, looks like a good sweater. A sweater, absolutely creative, worldwide New York. Oh, New York. A New York brand that's made in China. But this feels really nice. I really like this fabric. Is there tagging? I want to see what this is made out of. Usually sweaters like this, they're acrylic and I like them. Yeah, it's acrylic. polyester, spandex, nylon, but body 73% acrylic. Those are some of my favorite sweaters. I've got like 6 of those. Oh, and it's got like a little lace trim here, the V-neck. So I guess you could just wear it like this and it would look like you were wearing a shirt and a sweater. Okay. Oop. And last but not least, we have some jeans. Tencel. I live in New York, so this is why it's so loud. Tencel Denim Couture. Made in China. Okay. So these feel really good. Like a stretch velvet? Let's just say they're velvet. They're not stretch. Okay. And these are 73% cotton rayon and 2% spandex. Okay, so there's a little bit of spandex, but it doesn't feel like it. So I will try all this stuff on, not necessarily together, and I will put up videos of what they look like and how I style them. If you don't see something that you saw in the box whenever I was opening it, that's because it just looked that bad and I just can't show you. Hopefully that won't happen. And let's see what else is in here. Send a little, what's it say? Oh, it just says your stylist thought these would look great on you. And it's in a little envelope. Stitch Fix, gift a fix. It's personal, it's easy, it's fun. So you can send somebody a Stitch Fix. Probably would have been, I bet these are Christmas inserts that they had left over that they didn't use at work because it seems more like a holiday thing and it looks holiday-esque. Probably have an affiliate manager who wanted to get some pamphlets out. Oh, hello. What is this? The skinny pant, juniper lace trim pullover. Ah, this is cool. So they sent, okay, so everything that they sent to me is on this card, and I don't know if it's prepared by the stylist or their CRM system, but this has all the different ways that they would recommend you wear something. Let's see. So they have different things paired with skirts, jeans, the shirt. The only thing that's by itself is the infinity scarf. The garland floral print infinity scarf. And these still don't have, I was looking to see where the prices are. These don't seem to have the prices on them. They have to have that somewhere in here though. Let me see. Ah, here we go. Okay, so when you get this little green sheet that says thanks for letting us style you, that has all the prices on it. So let me see. Yeah, so you can see what mine kind of came out to. So they sent, if I was to keep everything in the box, it would be $223.50. So the whole preface of this organization is that you buy something from them and then they will let you keep or send back whatever it was that you want to keep for yourself. So the way this company works is you tell them what your style is, things that you like, things you don't like. You can even pick if there are certain items you don't want them to send. I have, because I'm a professional singer, a million dresses in my closet. So the first thing I did was I asked them, please do not send dresses. I would, of course, change that if I had an event or something coming up, and you can log in and let the stylist know, hey, I have this coming up, can you please send things related to that event, and then they'll do it. This one, I just asked them for mostly tops and things that I could wear for casual Friday whenever I go to work. So that's why you see like a lot of work related things and just like some more casual, like the velvet jeans are a little bit more casual for Fridays. Maybe not where you live, but in New York they would be considered casual Friday attire. So I will go through here, and whatever things I don't want, I will put back into this bag. and I will just drop it off at the post office, and they'll only charge me for whatever I keep. And you do have to pay $20 for receiving the Stitch Fix box in general, so even if you send everything back, you still have to pay $20, but I think most people would end up keeping one thing in their box anyway, so I wasn't really concerned about that. And it makes sense to keep at least one thing if you're paying the $20 regardless. And I think, yeah, that infinity scarf is $28, so that would be like, I could spend an extra $8 and that would basically take care of my purchase. I probably won't keep the scarf because it feels like polyester and I don't like polyester very much, but maybe the sweater. I won't know till I try them on. Now, what is this? The last Stitch Fix card. Oh, social media, of course. Join us on Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. Let's see. Anything else in here? This is basically just the process. Discover and decide, share your thoughts, send it back. So instructions for someone who didn't know what they were getting into. And I also want to show you is the last thing that I noticed from this box that they sent. Good grief. The box is pretty itself. Here, what to do next. So they actually put on the inside of the box. It's the same thing that was in that card I was just reading, but yeah, they put it here too just in case you aren't able to read the card for some reason. Anyways, okay, so I will put pictures or video, probably pictures of me wearing the items, and I will show you what everything looks like. So I just wanted to leave you guys with kind of my last impression of the Stitch Fix. It was really fun getting to try everything on, and especially with not actually having to go out in New York City and shop. Sometimes I really love doing that and having that opportunity here to kind of shop endlessly if I wanted to, but it's also nice to come home after a long work day and just get to try on some things here as if I have a personal assistant. So I tried these things on after I got back from work today, and I really liked the jacket. I loved the jacket actually. If the sleeves were a little bit shorter, I definitely would have kept this. So I don't know who picked my things, but they nailed it with this one. I really wish that had fit. And let's see, I think I said earlier, but I am gonna send the scarf back. It's a beautiful print and I like that it's an infinity scarf, but I do not like to wear polyester at all. It's itchy, and I've even had some problems with getting a little bit rashy on my skin. My skin is very fragile, so when I wear polyester it really doesn't like it. So I'm not going to be keeping that one. I also really liked this shirt. This is definitely something that I would have kept. This blue one here. It's really soft. The material is really nice. I am only sending it back because it doesn't quite go over my hips like it should. I need about 1 more inch seam allowance at the hips. It puckers in the back on me. I did try tying it, but that didn't work either. So if this was just a little bit bigger, I would definitely keep it. This is definitely my style. And the sweater feels so soft. I would have kept it, but it's just a little too big. You can see in the video that the sleeves are quite a bit long on me, about 2.5 inches too long. And if I was just walking around New York or going to see a friend or something, I wouldn't mind wearing it, but because I do web development during the day, it is really annoying for me to have sleeves that go too long because I'm typing so much. So I am not going to keep that. It will drive me crazy if I'm having to pull my sleeves up all day because I can't get in there and do my coding. The thing I loved the most, so loved, and want to keep are the jeans. These were great. You can see in the video they fit me to a T. I don't know how they did that other than if they actually went in with a tape measure when I gave them my measurements and measured everything perfectly. They fit so well. If you are interested in this brand, Tinsel, I've never heard of them before. Tinsel Denim, I would highly recommend checking out their brand. Now, as for getting these particular jeans, I can't recommend them, and it hurts me to even say that because I loved how they looked so much. You guys saw me make the video. I literally just did that 5 minutes ago. When I took them off just now, they ripped. See that? Woo! They ripped, and they ripped really, really well. They weren't that tight on me either, and they have, I think, 2% stretch, so I was really surprised. I'm really upset that they ripped because I loved them so much and I wanted them so badly. So I already submitted my return form to the company for these other things, and I said that I was keeping these, so now I have to write the company to see if they'll let me return these. I'm going to email them and find out, so stay tuned and I'll let you know. As far as the whole experience goes, I still think it's worth trying. If they don't refund this, I'll be really surprised. I think most companies would. It's really fun to get a box and not know what stuff is going to be it and what be in it and what other people have in mind when they look at you. So some of the things that whoever my stylist was picked and sent for me are definitely things that I probably wouldn't have picked up myself in the store. So I think that's a really fun aspect of trying a Stitch Fix box. So I would still tell you for 20 bucks, it's worth trying, and I will let you guys know what happens with the pants. So anyways, give it a try. Let me know if you love it, hate it, get addicted to it. I think I will try it one more time as long as this mess gets cleaned up. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you enjoy reading reviews or finding new products or just seeing kawaii things, please follow me. All the links are below to my Instagram and my blog, and also YouTube is always here for you. Alright, see you later. Bye.